Hello my friends and welcome once again to another episode of Tony's Comfort Kitchen, the home of comfort food. Now today's going to be a little bit different because I'm not here to film a video about cooking food. I'm actually here to tell you that I won't be making any more videos for a short while, for a month, 6 weeks, 2 months, I don't know. The reason being is that I'm in the process of selling my house. Now, that doesn't sound too bad, but I'm not only selling house, I'm actually I'm moving house and I'm moving country as well, with a dog, 2 cats, and I'm doing it in the middle of a pandemic. I mean, you know, I don't do things by halves, right? So obviously I'm absolutely chock-a-block. I'm packing, I'm sorting the animals out with their pet passports, because I'm moving from southwest France up to northwest England, where I come from in the first place. Everyone thinks I'm mad, but you know, I've got my reasons, and so yep, I'm in the process of selling. So as I say, I won't be able to make any videos for a short while, but don't worry, I will be back with Tony's Comfort Kitchen. And not only Tony's Comfort Kitchen, I'm actually, when I come back, I am thinking of I know I'm going to start a new channel, a new cooking channel. And it's going to be more niche. It's going to be about cooking British food, traditional British food and sort of modern British food. But that is something that we can all look forward to, and I'm certainly going to look forward to making those videos when I come back. So yeah, please excuse me if you don't see any new videos coming up for a little while. You know why. But don't worry, there will be more videos coming from not only Tony's Comfort Kitchen, but this new channel, which I think I'm going to call, I know I'm going to call, I'm going to call it Great British Grub. And I will leave you with a little clip of what will hopefully be the intro, just a short little clip that I've just knocked up. Whether it'll be the final one, I don't know, but anyway, we'll see. So in the meantime, I will wish you all peace, love, and tranquility, and I will see you on the other side. Well, on the other side of the channel anyway.